99% of all diets will fail to achieve lasting weight loss results unless your weight loss belief system is aligned with your subconscious convictions. Your belief serves as a driving force that sets the tone for your willpower, focus, and outcomes, and will subconsciously sabotage your results no matter how many salads you eat or miles you run. Our weight loss belief system is forged over time and constructed based on your earliest memories, experiences, and examples from friends and family. It ingrains these examples, convictions, and beliefs as to whether weight loss is easy or difficult to achieve. Over time, these influences become ingrained in your subconscious mind and greatly influence your behaviors, metabolism, and determines your successes or failures. The good news is that research has shown and rewire and refire a new mindset and belief that weight loss is easy and effortless by listening to affirmation therapy. For this reason, I've included a link in the show notes below to powerful weight loss affirmations combined with music therapy. When listened to upon waking or at bedtime, you can reprogram a new weight loss belief system that works for you instead of against you. Over time, these affirmations will become your new beliefs and new mindset that you can and will achieve your weight loss desired results easily and effortlessly. In addition, to support you achieving your weight loss goals and desires, I've included a link to my newest book that uncovers the power of the weight loss belief system and how to harness its power to work for you instead of against you. Also included is a weight loss program that teaches you those things to avoid that are making you fat, sick, and tired, from chemicals in our foods to products that we buy and bring into our home that are altering our weight loss hormones, making it difficult to lose weight and achieve lasting weight loss results. If you like this kind of affirmation therapy and content, go ahead and like and share with others that you think could use some good vibration therapy.